Huawei has just released a new open earbuds model they are calling the Free ANC. They are saying that this particular new Free ANC open earbuds have been made for users that jog a lot. If you go outdoors for sports, or you commute on trains, or just walk outdoors generally, this is what you can get right now. Now, this new release has ANC support, and one thing here is that they have made it so comfortable in its design so that you don't need to readjust them even when you're in the middle of a marathon. Wherever it is you are, literally, if you're in a yoga section or anything, it's going to perform relatively well for any user. Huawei says that they've engineered this free ANC so that the earbuds rest around your ears in a 140 degrees optimal triangle setup, which makes it easier to contact on your ears in a perfect balanced setup. So it's a very nice new model. And one other thing here is that they've made it actually one of the most comfortable open earbuds you can actually get without having any fatigue when you wear it for a very long time. The other thing again is that it incorporates a metal alloy memory wire that offers a flexible but strong connection between the battery and the speaker of the FreeArc. They also have IP57 rating for water resistance. Even with this new rating, you will have dust resistance as well as the fact that it it can stay in water for a very long time. That's one thing it offers. At least you can take it whenever it's raining, or maybe even take it to a swimming pool party or take it to the beach. You won't have to worry about this not being able to survive the water in these areas, which I think a lot of people will be interested in this because of the fact that it can resist water very well, really well. The other thing again is that inside the earbuds, you get a 12 millimeter dynamic driver unit. This driver has very good bass response. It's very punchy in its presence. You also have this adaptive equal loudness algorithm. You also get a reverse elimination sound wave technology to help reduce sound leakage to the whole room, so it's more or less private in your ears, literally. The whole point of these open fit earbuds is that you can constantly be aware of your surroundings and never be blocked from external noise. This is very good in many respects. And for other features, battery life is fantastic. With one single charge, the earbuds themselves can last 7 hours on a single charge. With the case, it is 28 hours in total. It comes with USB-C charging case. It has a dual device connection. You get touch controls with this new model, and it comes with Bluetooth 5.2 with support for SBC and AAC codecs. So it's a very nice release from Huawei. The FreeArc is even coated in a soft liquid silicone rubber, so it's built relatively well enough. You get it in multiple colors: green, black, gray finishes. These are the finish you can get it in. And the price tag is £100 in the UK and around 200 euros in other markets. I'm going to drop details down below if you guys are interested in this new release from Huawei. Do check it out. Subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.